Hi everybody, Mr. Sewell here, and we are beginning unit number 3, which is a study of chemistry and biochemistry. And this is going to be a little bit more difficult material because chemicals, sometimes you have to be able to picture these things in your mind to be able to understand them. But it is essential that you take this unit seriously to understand how a living thing operates, behaves, and responds. You have to break life down into its most basic elements, which are the chemicals that make up all of the material of life. And so we're going to take a quick look at how atoms behave and the structure of atoms, and how atoms can become things like ions, and then how they can bond to other materials to form more complex molecules and even compounds. And then we'll move on into the next part of it, which is biochemistry. And that is, we're going to be looking at the 4 major biological molecules, which are carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and proteins. And based upon that material, you'll be performing a couple lab activities that demonstrate your knowledge of these biological molecules. So this is kind of an important material. Again, we're laying the foundation for going on and studying a lot more of the systems of the human body in more depth. So do a good job. Make sure that you're learning the material. I've put some bullet points on the Canvas pages for you to kind of highlight the main things that you need to really make sure that you're mastering. And of course, if you have any questions or any concerns, make sure that you let me know. See you in class.